હનુનો જન્મ 21 જુલાઈ 2005માં અમેરિકામાં થયો હતો. હનુ જ્યારે 6 વર્ષનો હતો ત્યારે અમારા ઘરની નજીક એક સમર એક્ટિવિટી કેમ્પ ચાલુ થયો હતો, જેમાં બાળકો માટે ઇન્ડોર અને આઉટડોર બંને ગેમનો સમાવેશ થયો હતો. ઇન્ડોર ગેમ્સની અંદર ચેસ, ટેબલ ટેનિસ, આઉટડોર ગેમ્સની અંદર ટેનિસ અને બેડમિન્ટનનો સમાવેશ થયો હતો. આ બધી એક્ટિવિટીમાં હનુએ પાર્ટિસિપેટ કર્યું હતું અને એણે એમાં લોન ટેનિસની અંદર ખૂબ જ સારો રસ દર્શાવ્યો. જે પછી એના ફાધરે એના માટે પ્રોફેશનલ કેરિયરની શરૂઆત કરી અને એને પ્રોફેશનલ કોચિંગ માટે કોચની શોધખોળ ચાલુ કરી. પછી હનુનું અમે કોચિંગ ચાલુ કર્યું સ્પોર્ટ્સ ઓથોરિટી ઓફ ગુજરાતના સાહેબ પરેશ પટેલ જોડે, અને 6 વર્ષની ઉંમરથી જ હનુએ એનું ટેનિસનું કેરિયર ચાલુ કર્યું.
મારું નામ હનુ પટેલ છે. હું રોજ સવારે મારી ટેનિસ પ્રોફેશનલ ટ્રેનિંગ માટે 6 o'clock ઉઠું છું. મારી મમ્મી મને ડાયટ બ્રેકફાસ્ટ, બનાના, જ્યુસ બધું પેક કરીને આપતી હોય છે. પછી હું 6:30 મારા પપ્પા જોડે ટેનિસ કોર્ટ ઉપર જાઉં છું. 6:30 to 8:30 મારી ફિટનેસ ટ્રેનિંગ હોય છે. હું મારી ફિટનેસ ટ્રેનિંગ રાજવીર સર સાથે કરતો હોઉં છું. પછી મારું ટેનિસ ટ્રેનિંગ 8:30 to 9:30 જય સર જોડે હોય છે. મારું મોર્નિંગ સેશન પતાવીને હું ઘરે આવીને ડાયટ લઉં છું. પછી હું 10 to 12:30 મારી મમ્મી જોડે સ્ટડી કરું છું. મારી મોટા ભાગની સ્ટડી નોટ્સ મારા સ્કૂલ ફ્રેન્ડ પરમ જોડેથી હું લઉં છું. પછી હું વીકમાં 2 days 10 to 12:30 યોગા પણ કરું છું. આ યોગા અને પ્રાણાયામ મારા ટેનિસ કેરિયરમાં બહુ હેલ્પફુલ રહે છે. પછી હું 12:30 લંચ કરીને રેસ્ટ કરું છું. 2:30 હું ફરીથી ટેનિસ કોર્ટ ઉપર જવા માટે રેડી થઉં છું. મારું ટેનિસ સેશન ચાલુ થાય છે. હું મારું ટેનિસ ટ્રેનિંગ જય સર અને સ્વપ્નિલ સર જોડે કરું છું.
Hi, I am Swapnil Desai, the coach of Hanu Patel. I am working in tennis since last 9 years as a coach and playing tennis since last 18 years. I mean, it's when I was in 9 year, I had started my tennis careers as a players. Then I'll start move to the coaches at the age of 20. Right now, I would like to introduce my profile. I have done my qualifications in PTR with the professional grades, right, which is very less people in India as well as in the world. I am working with the Hanu since last 1 year. He is like just 9-year-old. The way he is playing tennis and the way he plays with the techniques and everything, he is playing so good at the age of 9. He did fantastic job in the tennis careers. He reached the quarterfinals and semi-final in under 14 All India Tennis Ranking tournaments. Then the way he is performing and achieving the goals, we are thinking that we are on the right track. Basically, all the people have the target to reach the ATP level, right? So we have the different kind of goals. Like we are achieving the goals with the age. See, basically the different age have the different goals, right? So basically, first goal we have it, that is like to achieve the All India Tennis Tournament with the finalists or one win of the tournaments, right? the way he is like doing the job, that is perfectly. Now we are focusing on more technical aspects, like in first 2 years we are going through the more techniques, then we will go through for the more tournaments. As far as once we gone through the like age, see now at the age of 11 we have planned to achieve the goal of under 14 tournaments, and we have planned to won that particular tournaments. Once we reach the tournament, then we started the tournaments of Asian ranking tournaments. Then once we achieve that goal, we'll start work on physical aspects more, because as the age grows, he has to work hard on the physical aspects. See, it's like one kind of trees. When the tree is growing, he will not give the fruits, but when it's reached at the perfect peak point, he'll start give the fruits. So we are basically, I'm thinking that he'll be at the tree at the age of 12 or 13. Right, so we'll start but more physically aspects on the age of 12, but now he's working, he's like 13 or 14-year-old boy. And the food, he's like doing the fantastic job in the food. He's following the food diets and doing all the routines in a maintain mode. Right, once he achieve our goals at the age of 12 or 14, we'll start the tournaments of ITF. Before starting of tournaments of ITF, we'll have a certain program, like go through of technical aspects, technical as well as physical as well as mental, and as well as all the parts which is required for tennis to achieve the ATP goals. So once he reach at the age of 13, we'll start the tournaments of ITF. See, people start the tournament at the age of 17 or 18, they are quite late, or they might be at the wrong route. So we are here for the different routes. So basically our team is thinking that for different people have the different goal, and different people have different goal with different skills. So basically there are so many people who has the good strokes, they are good strength. So according to the players, we are programming that kind of schedules and everything. Right now he is doing the fantastic job with the TRX, Bozubal and everything, and with the strength in park also. Now he is doing the cardio with the good systems. So once he gone through all the programs and achieving all the goals of ours at the age of 11 or 12, we'll start achieving the program of level under 14 or 16, and we'll start soon the tournaments of the ITFs. So once gone through all the systems and all the coordinations of our coaches, the team, and the parent support, that will help for Hanu's future. And of course, all the people has the common goal, that is to reach the ATP. See, basically all the people, they have seen the tournaments on the TVs and everything. But see, as far as my experience is concerned, I was already been in Spain for last 5 times in last 3 years, and I have met so many players of top 10 players, and see the way they are playing, which is very common to the Hanu Patel, and the way they are walking, it's like similar to Hanu Patel. So in India, I have not seen that kind of boy who is walking like Hanu Patel. So I hope that God will help to Hanu to make his future brighter.
આ ટેનિસ ટ્રેનિંગના દરમિયાન મારું પરફોર્મન્સ ઘણીવાર અપ ડાઉન પણ રહે છે. મારા પરફોર્મન્સ અપ ડાઉનના કારણે મારા પેરેન્ટ્સ ઘણીવાર અપસેટ પણ થાય છે. મારા પેરેન્ટ્સ વિચારતા હોય છે કે મારે ટેનિસ કન્ટિન્યુ રાખવું જોઈએ કે સ્ટડી ઉપર વધારે ફોકસ કરવું જોઈએ, કેમ કે હું સ્ટડીમાં પણ સારો છું. મારા ફેમિલી અને બા દાદા પણ એવું વિચારે છે કે મારે સ્ટડી ઉપર વધારે ફોકસ કરવું જોઈએ, કેમ કે હું સ્ટડીમાં સારો છું અને મારે IAS અથવા ડૉક્ટર બનવું જોઈએ.
On behalf of DPS management, it's my privilege to talk a few things about Hanu. Hanu has been a very good student with us for the past 5 years. Maybe he's done his pre-primary here too. We're looking at Hanu being blessed by God, and especially when he is really doing so well with the game that he has taken a liking for. He is able to balance his studies as well as his game. And we are really liking when Hanu has reached the level of, he says that he's come up for the runners-up at the national level. We wish that God blesses him in his endeavor, and all his friends from the school, not just his classmates, all his friends wish him well. All our teachers are also sending good wishes to Hanu at his performances at different places. Management of the school also wishes Hanu, and we ask God to provide his guidance and blessings to Hanu at all levels. Thank you.
Myself Paresh Patel. I am working as a tennis coach in Gujarat for last 25 years. This is my regular tennis coaching center. I have been working for this center since last 4 to 5 years. We have few kids here, and among them Hanu Patel is there, who is the top kid in our academy. He has been performed in a great way in his age groups, in state level and even at the national levels. He's been working very hard for his fitness. Even in his skills of tennis, he is excellent. I have been witnessed his each and every sessions, morning and evening. He's amazing kid. In future, I hope he will be the best in Gujarat, in India, and my hope and my wishes are with him.
મારું ટેનિસ ટ્રેનિંગ પત્યા પછી 6:30 to 7:30 હું મારી ફિટનેસ ટ્રેનિંગ સૌમિલ સર અને રાજવીર સર જોડે કરું છું.
Hi, myself is Somendra Patnaik. I am working with Mr. Hanu Patel. I joined him few days before, so I am working as his fitness trainer, looking after his fitness, and I see him doing the fitness, the sides. He's doing very fine with the fitness ability, and his adaptation is very good. And I'm sure that he will be doing very good in his sports, and I'm sure, and I'll wish him to have a great future in his sports. And I'm really happy that he is doing the way he's doing the way he's playing and the way he's doing the fitness with me. So I'm really happy with him.
मैं राजवीर सिंह शेखावत, हनु का फिटनेस ट्रेनर। हनु मेरे पास 1.5 से 2 साल से फिटनेस ट्रेनिंग कर रहा है और बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है। हनु टाइम का एकदम पंक्चुअल है। सुबह 6:30 आता है, 8:30 तक फिटनेस ट्रेनिंग करता है। शाम को हाफ आवर करता है। और हनु ने अभी तक अंडर 10 का स्टेट टाइटल जीता है और अंडर 12 से सेमीफाइनल पहुंचा और फाइनल का भी टाइटल जीता है। अंडर 14 में सेमीफाइनल तक पहुंचा है और अभी अंडर 14 टाइटल का हमारा टारगेट है और उसके लिए हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं और हनु बहुत अच्छा करेगा भविष्य में और उसके लिए मेहनत भी अच्छी कर रहा है।
એના પછી હું ઘરે આવીને ડિનર લઈને નેક્સ્ટ ડે માટે પ્રિપેર થઉં છું.
અથાગ પરિશ્રમ અને ધગશનું બીજું નામ છે હનુ. ખૂબ જ નાની વયે ટેનિસ ક્ષેત્રે તેણે ઘણી સિદ્ધિઓ પ્રાપ્ત કરી છે. રમતની સાથે સાથે તે ભણવામાં પણ A1 ગ્રેડ મેળવે છે. ટેનિસ અને ભણવામાં તેનું ડેડિકેશન બરાબર છે. તેના પેરેન્ટ્સ તેની પાછળ ખૂબ જ મહેનત કરી રહ્યા છે. પોતાની જિંદગીના ખૂબ જ મહત્વના વર્ષો પોતાના દીકરા પાછળ આપી રહ્યા છે. અમારી શુભકામનાઓ અને શુભાશીષ હનુની સાથે છે.
ભણવું પણ જરૂરી છે, પણ આપણને જે એક્ટિવિટી ગમતી હોય, જેમાં આપણે એક્સેલ કરી શકતા હોઈએ, એ પણ આપણે લાઈફના ઇન્સ્યોરન્સના તરીકે કરવી જોઈએ. I would like to say, do not put all the eggs in one basket. Thank you.